Hi guys, it's James again, and today I'm going to be explaining to you the difference between another, the other, one another, and other. So we have four, and the first one is another. So here's a situation that actually happened to me this week. So I had a tripod and a light that I used to make my videos, and I started to use it, and then there was a problem, and I could see that the light would not stay on top of the tripod and it would swing and tip over. So I went to the internet and I found a similar product, and I chose another tripod and light. So that means just one that is different from the original one. And then I ordered the new one, and that's going to come to me in the post. Now, when it arrives, I will say the other one has arrived. The other tripod and light has arrived. So we use the other, which is two words, the and other, when we're talking specifically. When we are specific, we're not talking about any tripod and light. We're talking about the one that I have chosen. And the next one is just other. So, for example, today I'm out looking for a pair of shoes, and I go into one shop and I cannot find anything that I like at all. There's just nothing that suits me. There's just nothing that pleases me. So I decide that I will go and look in other shops. In other shops. So you'll notice that after the word other, we have shops, which is plural. So because it's plural, we use other. If I talk about one shop, if my wife says to me, I know a good place, she can say, I know another shop, because and other. So it means one other, and it's one word, not two words. Another is one word. And the last one is each other. So we use each other when there is an interaction between two or more things or two or more people, where there is an action from both sides. So for example, if we say, oh, how sweet that old couple, they still really love each other, then we mean that from the man to the woman and back from the woman to the man. So a good way to a good situation for this would be in my lessons. It's important for me and my students to talk and communicate with each other. So that means it's not just me as a teacher speaking to them and them listening, but them also communicating back to me. Okay, so again, we've got the four different types. We have another, where we talk about one that's different from the one that we're focused on. We have other, which we use with plural. Like I said, there are other shops where I can go to find a pair of shoes. We can talk about the other when I have specified or chosen the different choice that I have now made. And each other when we talk about two or more people or things where there is an interaction that is given from both sides.